Okay, guys, then I just got this other one. I got two trucks. This is the Hot Wheels Monster Trucks 2025. We'll trash it all with a brand new paint decal design. Here's a back. All you need is buns of steel, Dodge Charger, Triceratops, which I'm buying again, those because I don't have those anymore. Name, we'll trash it all, truck type city. Strength, trash talker, crash partner, and grime. Guaranteed for life, Dodge Charger. So here it is. Without further ado, let's go and open it. We don't care about the car, we know what it is. They should really change those cars. So here's a little concept, which is nice. A little trash all set graffiti, which is really cool. I love the orange tires, blue rims and beadlocks, yellow roll cage. Which is a little trash it all up here. Like the eyeball, it's right there. Pretty nice. It's on the other side. Eyeball with a bat wing, that is so cool. So the back opens, of course, to reveal the engine. The metal pieces, Hot Wheels in the front. So without further ado, that's all I got today. Hopefully, I'm gonna get more this week. Like, subscribe, comment, share, guys. More unboxings coming soon. Peace out, and hope you all enjoyed.